ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 17-26 सद्भावे साधुभावे च प्लस 17-27 यज्ञे तपसि दाने च सद्भावे साधुभावे च सदित्येतत् प्रयुज्यते। पदपाठ सद्भावे साधुभावे च सत् इति एतत् प्रयुज्यते। प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा सच्छब्दः पार्थयुज्यते। पदपाठ प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा सत् शब्दः पार्थ युज्यते। यज्ञे तपसि दाने च स्थितिः सदिति उच्यते। पदपाठ यज्ञे तपसि दाने च स्थितिः सत् इति च उच्यते। कर्म चैव तदर्थीयं सदित्येवाभिधीयते। पदपाठ कर्म चैव तदर्थीयं सत् इति एव अभिधीयते. I have this Vakyamsha Vishlešanam followed by Anvesha, Shabdabhyasa, etc. I will not read these, or I may read the Vakyamsha Vishlešanam. I have the columns here: Anukramankaha, Kartropadiyaha, Karmapadiyaha, Nesuvanta, Videyaha, Avyayani, Krudantaha, Tigantaha. Sat etat सद्भावे साधुभावे इति च प्रयुज्यते. सत् शब्दः पार्थ प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा युज्यते. स्थितिः यज्ञे तपसि दाने सत् इति च उच्यते. तदर्थीयं कर्म सत् इति एव च एव अभिधीयते. I have now the Anvesha Shabdabhyasa. Of these, instead of reading the Shabdabhyasa in particular all through, I will rather scroll this portion screenshot by screenshot so that those who want to take screenshots, they can do so, or all this detail is also available in the blog post, to which the links are given in the description box. So basically Anvaya Shabdabhyasa Sat iti etat sadbhave sadhubhave cha prayujyate. I am scrolling slowly so that those who want to take photos, they can take snaps. पार्थ तथा प्रशस्ते कर्मणि सत् शब्दः युज्यते. यज्ञे तपसि दाने च स्थितिः सत् इति च उच्यते. तदर्थीयं कर्म चैव सत् इति एव अभिधीयते. Now अन्वयार्थः, overall meaning. Sat iti etat sadbhave sadhubhave cha prayujyate. This word sat is used with regard to reality, sadbhave, and existence, and also with regard to good character, sadhubhave. Partha तथा प्रशस्ते कर्मणि सत् शब्दः युज्यते. So also, O son of Partha, the word sat is used with regard to an adorable act, प्रशस्ते कर्मणि. यज्ञे तपसि दाने च स्थितिः सत् इति च उच्यते. And the steadfastness in sacrifice, austerity and charity, sacrifice, tapasi, Dane, austerity. Yajne, sacrifice. Tapasi, austerity. Dane, charity. This steadfastness, sthiti, is spoken of as sat. Tadarthyam karma cha eva sat iti eva abhidhiyate. And even the action, karma, meant for these, tadarthyam, is verily called as sat, good. I will also skip this Sandhya session. You can take a snap. And then now I will go to Swadhyaya, notes of self-study. The words Sadbhave, Sadhubhave refer to the two meanings, bhavau, of the word Sat. One as Asdhatoh Shatru Visheshanam Sat. Hence, Sadbhavaha, beingness, Asdhatoh, existence, reality, truthfulness. Sadhubhave, Sadhoh Bhavaha, Sadhubhavaha. Because Sat means Sadhu, good, free of malice. The best example of Sadhubhava unto the entire world is Sarve Pisukinas Santu, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukhamapnuya. May all be happy, may all be healthy, may all be prosperous, Bhadrani Pashyantu. May no one experience sorrow, Ma Kaschid Dukhamapnuya. Since Sat is one of the three Brahmanaha Nirdeshaha, all Satbhavaha, Sadbhavaha, beingness, existence, reality, truthfulness is Brahma only. That underscores the omnipresence of Brahma. Since Sat is one of the three Brahmanaha Nirdeshaha, all Sadhubhava unto the entire world is Brahma only. That underscores the omniscience, universal conscience of Brahma. Tatha prashaste karmani sat shabdaha yujyate. So also the word sat is used with regard to an adorable act, prashaste karmani. Since sat is one of the three Brahmana nirdesha, all sat karma is Brahma only. That underscores the omnipotence, sat karma, universal sustenance by Brahma. Reflecting on the mention of yajne tapasidane cha sthiti sat iti uchyate, and the steadfastness in sacrifice, austerity and charity is spoken of as sat, comes to mind the mention of yajnaha being satvikaha, rajasaha, tamasaha, so also tapaha and danam being satvikam, rajasam, tamasam. But since the qualifying condition is prashaste karmani, we have to take these to be satvika only, so that the sthiti becomes sat only. Since Sat is Brahmanaha Nirdesha, the sthiti becomes Brahmi sthiti, which brings to mind Vihaya Kamanya Sarvan Puma Shriti Nispruha Nirmamo Nirhankara Sashanti Madhigachati Esha Brahmi sthiti Partha Nainam Prapuyamujyati Sthitva Asyantakaalepi Brahma Nirvana Mruchati. So, Yajne Tapasi Dane cha sthiti becomes Sat iti cha, becomes Brahmi sthiti when Yajna, Tapansi, Danani cha are performed as Tadarthiyam karma, becomes Sat iti eva karma, becomes Brahma karma. Since the doer Nirmamaha Nirahankaraha Puman Sarvan Kaman Vihaya Nispruha Charati Saha Shantim Adhigacchati Enam Brahmim Sinim Prapya Na Vimuyati Asyam Sitva Brahmanirvana Vrichyati. It is that Brahmi Sthiti which is to be strived for. This Gita Abhyasa is study for learning Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padachhedaha, Vakyamshaha Visheshanam, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Visheshanam. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayartha, syntactical meaning, and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study, wherein deeper meaning, figures of speech, if any, other relevant quotes, including verses from other chapters, are taken note of by way of connecting the dots. This study is Swanta Sukhaya, or self-containment. Glad to share. The text can be read and downloaded from my updated blog post, to which links will be to which following links given in the description box would be useful. I have given links to as many as 4 different blogs. You can choose any one of them, but I would recommend blog number 1 and 2 because there the word processing is very good, just identical to what I have done in this study here, in this document. Shubhamastu.